This is the Algebra Refresher packet, so feel free to pause or rewind this video as you find it helpful. Number 1, describe the pattern and name the next 3 terms. So I see that the difference between these two terms, 144 minus 72, is 72, but 72 minus 72 is not 36. So the next thing is, how could I multiply or divide? 144 divided by 72 is 2. 72 divided by 36 is 2. 36 divided by 18 is 2. So that means that each time I'm dividing by 2, so that is describing the pattern, divide each term by 2. And so if I continue that pattern, the next 3 terms, 18 divided by 2 is 9, 9 divided by 2 is 9 halves, or 4.5, and then 9 halves divided by 2 is 9 fourths, or 2.25. Fractions or decimals would be fine in this case. Number 2, to simplify this, I need to distribute 4 times 3n, 4 times minus 7, and then think of this as a negative 2, so negative 2 times negative 5n, and negative 2 times 8. So 4 times 3n is 12n, 4 times 7 is 28, negative 2 times negative 5n is 10n, negative 2 times 8 is minus 16. So I look for like terms, 12n plus 10n is 22n, and then minus 28 minus 16 gives you minus 44. That is the simplified form. Number 3, we have a compound inequality, meaning that there's 2 inequality signs. That means that we want to separate it into 2 different inequalities. Negative 6 is less than or equal to n plus 3. So we keep all of that middle with the left side, and we use all of that middle with the right side. N plus 3 is less than 15. And so we need both of these to happen, so it's an AND statement. So as I solve this, subtract 3 to get negative 9, subtract 3 to get 12, and so now I have n by itself. And so answers could be left in this form, but more often they're going to be written into one inequality. Negative 9 is less than or equal to n, which is less than 12. So when we go to graph this on a number line, we need to go from negative 9 to positive 12. Because it has less than or equal to, we use a filled in circle at negative 9. Because it's less than 12, we need an open circle at 12. And now we need greater than negative 9, less than 12. And so if both of those are true, it's got to be this area in between the 2 circles. Number 4. So if we're going to evaluate, we're given values for A and for B, so we got to plug those in. Be especially careful with the negative numbers, that you keep those in parentheses. Negative 4 squared times 3, and then 4 times A is negative 4, B is 3 to the 3rd power. So we've got to do the exponents first. So negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. And on the other side, or the second half, 3 to the 3rd power, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And so now we need to multiply 5 times 16, which is 80. 80 times 3 is 240. Negative times negative makes that positive. And 4 times 4 is 16. And then 16 times 27.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?